Looking at Unity software on the daily chart, nice pullback over here. Looking for symmetry support, looking at the history of this chart, looking for other pullbacks that are very similar in dollar amount. This pullback $25.85 and this one $25.96. Taking my Fibonacci extensions, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that pivot high. If I were to measure this pullback right here, this pullback is $26.28, which is very, very close to these pullbacks. Gonna draw in the other symmetry support over here. Next, I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracements, pulling from that pivot low to pivot high. We do have a 50% retracement that is in conjunction with that symmetry support that we just did. Taking a quick look on the hourly chart, price is getting up above that 200 moving average, which is a nice sign there's strength coming back into this chart. It is respecting that area of support. We do have a trigger to go long on the 15-minute time frame, with a moving average crossing the answer of 34 to the upside. Now, what you can do here, not financial advice, you can pick up some Unity software here, symbol is U, but you gotta set your stop below this pivot low with a correct position sizing. Of course, this is not financial advice. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. Go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.